This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this prestigious village in the Burgundy wine region of France, more precisely in the Côte de Beaune area to the south of the city of Beaune. We are looking at how to pronounce the name Pommard, the prestigious Pinot Noir red wines of Pommard, very sought after wines of Pommard. How do you go about pronouncing Pommard with the typical French pronunciation? Well, first, the D at Pommard is definitely silent, so do not say Pommard, but rather Pommard. If you can pronounce the R the French way, like an R, say Pommard, 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 Pommard. But in English or American pronunciation, it'd be fine to say Pommard, Pommard, Pommard. Pommard Pinot Noir wine. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.